Alright, so welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing something very, very infamous that I bought, so let's just get into it. I did slightly overpay for what I should have for this, but it's something I've really, really wanted, or not really, really wanted. It's something I thought was very interesting and wanted for a project. I know my desk is kind of a disaster right now, but it's fine for me. Let me just move that out of the way. There, let's just pull this side straight off. Whole bunch of packaging peanuts. Here, let me move the box. Push the peanuts off to the side. And then the thing, I believe, is in here. So we can take whatever this is out. Which I think you may or may not already be able to see. So, let's just take the thing out if I can get it out. So yeah, this is what I bought. It's the rather infamous engine off of eBay. Looks to have a very bad paint job. It's a dummy locomotive, but I think we can make something out of this. Not sure what, but something. I'll figure something out, but first I'll show over the engine. So now let's go over the engine. I got the shell cleaned up the best I could, but when I took off this, it kind of broke a bit of the shell off, so I'm going to probably glue this together after I do a project or something. It really doesn't look as bad as it did in the photos. It really just seems to be custom handrails, messed up cab, and way too much paint. Here's the back of it. They also added some stuff. Yeah, this is a very interesting locomotive. I hope I can do something to save it, but if not, we'll have an interesting thing. So, I'm gonna hopefully in the future make some videos of trying to restore this thing. So, thanks for watching this very short video of this infamous engine.